Hello fams! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sir Well and I will be your virtual tutor. In this video, I will be discussing all about factors and multiples. And at the end of the session, it is expected that you will be able to differentiate factors from multiples. Also, you will be able to list down the factors and multiples of the given number with accuracy. And in order for you to make it possible, you have to do two things. Okay, first, you have to listen carefully. You have to look at me. That even if I don't look like Ding Dong Dantes, Daniel Padilla, Justin Bieber, still you have to look at me. You have to imagine that the person you're looking at your screen is your favorite celebrity. Second, you have to participate in all the activities that I'm presenting in this video. For sure, when you do these two things, you will be able to understand the concept that I will be discussing with you today. Why do you need to understand the concepts about factors and multiples? Okay, the answer to that question is, when we go to our future discussions, these two things will still be needed. These factors and multiples will be part of it. So I strongly advise, listen carefully, participate so that you will understand the topic well. Okay, so let us now proceed. Factors and multiples are two different things, but they both involve multiplication. Okay, so to better understand them, let us have the definition. What are factors and what are multiples? Okay, factors are actually numbers that when multiplied results to another number, while multiples are what we get when we multiply a number by another number. By the way, friends, the number that I'm referring to here are just whole numbers. So we will just limit our discussion about factors and multiples using whole numbers. Okay, so let us have examples here on how to find the multiples and factors of a certain number. So let us first start with finding the factors of the given number. So the given number here is 6. Again, our task here is to find the factors of 6. So for us to find the factors of 6, we just have to think of two numbers that when multiplied will give us 6 as the answer. So what are those numbers? Again, two numbers that when multiplied will give us 6. So think. Okay, so that's correct. 1 and then 6. If you multiply 1 times 6, will give us 6. What else? Okay, that's also correct. 2 times 3 will give us 6. Other pairs? No more. So therefore, I could say that the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So what did I do? I just simply arrange the numbers that we thought of from least to greatest. So 6 has how many factors? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6 has 4 factors. Okay, another example, finding the factors of a number. Okay, let's say the given number is 12. So follow the process. Think of two numbers that when multiplied will give 12 as the answer. So we have, okay, 1 and 12. So 1 times 12 will give us 12. Other pairs. We have 2 and then 6. Okay, 2 times 6 will give us 12. What else? Okay, 3 and 4. 3 times 4 will give us 12. Okay, are there other pair of numbers that when multiplied will give us 12? Take note, when we say numbers here, we are referring to whole numbers only. Okay, no more other pairs or pair of numbers. So, therefore, I can say that the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And 6 has, or 12 rather, has how many factors? We have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 12 has 6 factors. Okay, any question about finding the factors of a number? Okay, none? So let's proceed. Let's proceed with finding the multiples of a given number. Okay, so let us first go back to the definition of multiples. So as I've said earlier, multiples are what we get when we multiply a number by another number. Okay, so if we apply it into this example, let's say we are going to look for the multiples of 6. So the 6 will be multiplied by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth. Okay, let's stop until 10. So let's do this. Okay, 6 times 0 will give us 0. 6 times 1 will give us 6. 6 times 2 will give us, okay, 12. That's correct. 6 times 3 will give us 18. 6 times 4 will give us 24. 6 times 5 will give us 30. 6 times 6 will give us 36. 6 times 7 will give us 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 equals 60. So we will just stop at 60. But we can still use other numbers, the rest of the numbers after 10. Okay, so I could say that the multiples of 6 are 0, 1, no, not 1, but 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60, so on and so forth. Okay, so here's the clue, guys. When we want to list down the factors of a certain number, it always starts from 1 and ends with the number itself. But if we find the multiples of a certain number, it always starts from 0 and ends indefinitely. It never ends. Multiples never ends. It's indefinite. Okay, it just happened that we stopped here at 60 because we only used only until 10. But if we use 11, 12, so on and so forth, then we will be finding some other multiples of 6. Okay, do you understand? Or do you want to have one more example in finding the multiples of a certain number? Okay, one more example. Okay, so let's have multiples of 9. Find the multiples of 9. Okay, I know you already have an idea of how to find the multiples. So if you're good in doing the skip counting, then that's exactly how we find the multiples of a certain number. So when you do the skip counting by 9, 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, so on and so forth, then those are already the multiples of 9. Then we just simply do the skip counting. Okay, that's it. Okay, any question? Okay, none? Okay, so what I want you to do this time is prepare a piece of paper. Any piece of paper can do, and a pen for you to use in this activity. So I will be providing two numbers, one number in finding the factors and then the other number in finding the multiples. I will just give you exactly 1 minute to do this. And while you're doing this in 1 minute, I will be playing a TikTok song for you to listen to because I know most of you are good in multitasking. You're writing, you're thinking, and then you're also listening. Okay, for sure you will be able to do this in just 1 minute. And your time starts now. Okay, for sure you are done already with the activity and it's time for us to check it. Okay? So I want you to be honest. Okay? Just a reminder, you have to be honest even if nobody's looking at you. Even if I'm not there in front of you, I'm not there physically beside you, still be honest. Okay? Because honesty is the best policy. Okay. So, what are the factors of the given number? The first number, which is 20. Okay, the factors are, we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So, there are how many factors for 20? So, 20 has 6 factors. Okay, who got it right? Did you get it right? Okay, very good. Okay, give yourself a round of applause. Okay, what about for the second number, which is 11? Then it's just easy, right? Okay, what are the multiples of 11? So it starts from 0, followed by 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Then, what's next to 99? 110. Okay, who continued after 110? If you did it, then you're very good. But if you only stopped at 110, then still, you're very good. Okay, who got a perfect score? Okay, very good. Let us give yourself a round of applause. Blah, blah, blah. A round of applause. Okay, very good. So I do hope that you learned a lot in this session and you won't be able to forget this. You're going to do a lot of practice. Ask your mom and your dad to give you numbers and you're going to find the factors and then the multiples of the numbers that they're going to give you. For sure, you will benefit from this when we discuss in the future some other topics related to fractions. Then you won't find those topics difficult because you were able to understand this one. Okay, so I think it's time to end this session and I want to wish you good luck in all your endeavors in life and have a good day. God bless you. By the way, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then press the notification bell button so that you will be updated with all the videos that I'm going to upload in the future. So for now, it's time for us to take a break. Have a good day, and God bless you all. Again, my name is Sir Well, and I am signing off.